do not know if you guys can hear it, but it's actually raining. There's little droplets on the edge of the windowsills is actually from the rain. But it's been like that, not the rain. But it's been like this all day. After 12, it's been like this since I got up this morning. And there's no sign of it ending. So welcome to the first day of fall. Autumn. Whatever you want to call it. Fall or autumn. Or both. March.
Shelves of sachets and potty mints, and all the dresses on the horizontal rack on the top over there.
Yeah.
Great, thank you.
Let's see. You press the buttons on the keyboard thingy.
Yeah.
Let's see. There's a line for the food.
I'm going to get some sun chips.
Good morning, guys. It is actually raining again. It is almost 10 o'clock in the morning. Logan and I just both got up within minutes of each other. I got up like 3 hours earlier and ended up going back to sleep, and now I need to go and take care of some business phone calls and do some things for business while Logan does his schoolwork. I had plans of going out today for some errands, but since it is raining and can't really see anything, and since we just got up and I'm like, you know, you just first get up kind of a feeling, those errands are gonna be put on hold again. So I'm gonna focus on business things today. Logan's gonna focus on homeschool work and doing things here at home that we need to do and want to do. So with that, I'm gonna end the vlog here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog.